What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris, and this is my channel, GT_Supercharged. Tonight we are going to talk about a few things. First off, I'd like to give you all an update on my Mustang and why it's taking so long to do what I'm doing to it. It's been at Subway Auto Body for about 2 weeks now, and Randy over there is doing an awesome job, and everything he can do to make these parts work out great. The trouble that we are having is that body kits, from what I'm seeing, are really poor quality in general. And I've had 2 parts from 2 different vendors that were damaged. And not damaged from shipping, just damaged from the companies not checking, or trying to pawn off pieces that nobody else would take or somebody else return to me. I'm really irritated with MrBodyKit.com in particular. They not only gave me one chin spoiler piece that had a huge gash in it and looked like it was repaired by somebody on the back. The guy that works there, Steve, that's not his real name, I promise you that, had an attitude and told me that the body shop was supposed to fix and paint it. So, as you guys should know by now, I'm going for the Gt350 style look. So no, a chin spoiler should not be painted on my build. Gt350s do not have painted chin spoilers. That looks ridiculous with my build, at least. Most people's builds don't do that either. After I sent the same picture of the damage that you guys see here, Steve told me that he couldn't see the damage on the picture. Maybe because of his monitor, he said. I guess he didn't have a cell phone. I'm not sure if this company is using old CRT monitors, which would have been fine too. But comment below if you can see the damage. Anyway, he did take care of the issue after Randy called him, and we're supposed to be getting a replacement chin spoiler on this Wednesday. The GT350 fenders also had some overspray on them, so maybe somebody returned them and they just pawned these off on me, hoping that my body shop would be okay with that, which they were, but they did turn out looking great. Also, the GT350 style bumper they have was really poor quality. The guy over there told me that it was the best one out on the market, and this is the 3-piece one if you guys are wondering. I looked at it myself, I saw it, Randy showed it to me, and it didn't even line up at all. Like, completely ridiculous looking if you just put it right on. So he had to do a lot of work, I know that. Hopefully it turned out great. We will see. And I know we had to sand it a whole lot though, but we'll find out Wednesday about that. The other issue was that the new rear valance panel, which looks amazing by the way, had a ding in the center of it, and since it isn't going to be painted, it must be replaced and not fixed. So I got this one from Amazon, and I must say that Advan-Emotion did an awesome job in sending a new one out the next day, with a shipping label in the box to send the other broken piece back at no charge. I want to comment on the quality of the piece too. It is a night and day difference between this and the MP Concepts part. I actually used the MP Concepts bumper and valance combo from AmericanMuscle.com before I switched to this new valance, which is a direct replacement, by the way, if you guys are wondering. They won't answer that on American Muscle, but yes, you can just get a direct replacement for it. It's way better. So this one actually has holes cut out in the honeycombs and more aggressive and clean looking edges. Also, it has a great texture to it. So I'm hoping that the project will be done on Wednesday, and then I can go back to making some cool videos about it for everybody. I'm really excited to show you. And of course, when it gets a little warmer, I live here in Maryland. It's tough to really get out and do cool things with the weather being cold and snowy and awful, and salt everywhere. But I'm going to be showing you my drone footage that I'm going to take of my car and other people's cars, and hopefully do some cool videos with the Beltway Mustang group, which I'm a member of. So really looking forward to it. Thanks for watching tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe.